Another simple recipe, a 1-pot meal. I'm going to show you how to do beetroot and tomato tarts. For this recipe I am using not all the beetroots. I just boiled them and cleaned it and put this in the box, and I'm going to put it in the fridge. Then I can use that in salads when I need to, or you can use it in sandwiches too. About 1 cup of cherry tomatoes, 100 grams feta cubed, and 5 eggs, salt and pepper to taste. I'm using some Tuscan seasoning on top, then about a tablespoon of mayonnaise. This is optional if you don't want to add any. Instead you can add Greek style yogurt or sour cream, and also 2 pastry sheets. So this is not all about eating lots of carbs. We are trying to give a lot of vegetables and protein into the diet, so that's what I'm trying to do here. So let's break the eggs first. Then using a fork, just whisk the eggs slightly. Into that I'm going to add the mayonnaise, salt and the pepper. Now get the pastry sheet and cut it into 4 squares. I'm using this large muffin tray. You can either use small ones too, and then put the pastry sheet into it like this and make sure to press it evenly. And after, divide the egg mix into 6 equal parts and put it into the bottom of the pan. And after, get a beetroot, cut it into small squares, maybe put 4 into 1. Now get the tomatoes. You can put it like this because they are tiny, and then top up with the feta, and this goes to the preheated oven, 200 Celsius, about 20 minutes or until golden brown. And lastly, top up with a bit of Tuscan seasoning or any other herb, and this goes to the oven. So the tarts are ready, and it took only 20 minutes to cook this, and you can prep ahead and do it whenever you want, and it's really simple and easy low carb diet. So let's cut one and see how it is. This is how it is. Serve hot with a nice sauce or chutney, and we'll see you with another video. Thank you for watching.